Ukrainians have developed a new military drone called MiniShark, which can be carried in backpacks and launched by hand. Ukrspecsystems created a model that is significantly smaller than the previous version, Shark, which allows the military to easily carry and launch the drone manually. MiniShark is a small unmanned aircraft with a length of 125 centimeters, a wingspan of 2.6 meters, and a takeoff weight of up to 5 kilograms. Its compact size allows the military to launch the drone by hand and easily disassemble it for transportation in 2 soldier backpacks. The main purpose of MiniShark is reconnaissance and search for ground targets at a distance of up to 35 kilometers from the operator. Equipped with an optoelectronic camera with 10x zoom, the model can locate targets for subsequent destruction by artillery, ground forces, or special units of the armed forces of Ukraine. MiniShark can fly for up to 2 hours, reaching speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour and a maximum altitude of 1 kilometer. The drone's operating temperature ranges from 15 to plus 45 degrees Celsius. Landing occurs without the use of landing gear, like an airplane. Ukrspecsystems reported that the development of MiniShark began after a request from Ukrainian military for a compact unmanned aerial vehicle, and the model is currently undergoing factory tests.